Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Sheet private. So as you know, Google Sheet is in Google Sheet, you can share it to everyone, or you can share the link to the file and make it public. But if you want to make it private, you can do this steps that I'm about to tell you. So here I've already opened my Google Sheet, and then what you need to do to make it private is just go to the share icon at the top, the green one, click on this, and then you'll find the general access option here. And then as you can see here, the current access is anyone with the link, so anyone on the internet who has the link can view this file. But if you want to make it private only to you, so just click on this and then choose restricted. So when you choose this, the only person that can have access to this file is only those who can open this with the link. So just only me. Just click done when you have already changed the settings, and then when you go to this, you can see that the access is now private to only me. Okay, so that is how you can make your Google Sheet file private. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.